Hey everybody, it is Mindy and I have a package here. Yeah. It's not supposed to be that way, I don't think. If this is what I think it is, because I'm not positive, this is, I think, my HOMFUN order from AliExpress. And if that is the case, if it's true, I ordered this on March 9th. March 9th. And was pretty sure it was lost. I don't know if it is or if it isn't, but we'll find out in a second. The box clearly has been like folded in half, right? And normally I don't worry about that, but if this is HOMFUN and it is probably double-sided adhesive, that means my canvases have been, you know, accordioned. So I'm not hopeful for this. Oh, and guess what? It is. Look at, it's HOMFUN. That's exactly what it is. So now I'm a little concerned about these canvases in here. There's two of them. Like I said, I ordered them on, I don't know, maybe they'll be okay. Looks like they're on a foam roller. There's a tool kit and a tool kit. It's clearly just been bent right there. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Okay, nothing else in the box. There's hope, maybe, because they are on a foam roller. Maybe just the, oh, no, I don't think so. I don't think so. Wow. This is how their drills come, apparently. These great big huge bags, and look, they were just kind of rolled up. Wow. Rolled up like this. There are inventory sheets in here. They're both rounds. Good. Okay. Interesting bags. Here's our tool kit with our pen halfway out. I mean, if it's been traveling around the world, you know, since March 9th, I mean, you know, what do we expect? March 9th, traveling the world. All right, boat, funnel, pen, wax, tweezers. And here's our, okay, yep. All right then. This has those little rubber bands on it that aren't like really even rubber bands. They're just, I don't know, something elastic. Of course, they don't want to come off, so cut them. And it is double-sided adhesive. As you can tell, I can already see the paper on the outside, which I knew it was. I just wasn't certain it was HOMFUN, but now I am. Now I'm certain it is. Well, they made it. That's all I can say about that. They made it. All right. I don't know if we want to, I don't know. Okay, there's two of them and they are wrapped around a foam roller. So clearly we're going to get a nice crease here. This is a small one. Let's start with this one. So we got that crease right there where the box was folded for us. Yeah. So you know we're going to have some issues there when we flip this over and look at the canvas. But, okay. So this is one, a long time ago, I was talking with Crashly about, we were talking about doing something together and talking about maybe doing something with this canvas. I don't think we're going to do that anymore. I don't even know if she ordered it. I don't think she did, but anyhow, let's open this up carefully. If it's just that wrinkle in the middle, I can fix that. We can flatten that out. I'm not real concerned with that. Let's just hope it's not too bad. Now, I have learned from people since ordering this that HOMFUN does have the, wow, you know, it's got a big wrinkle in the canvas, but the glue went with it. The glue did not bubble and pucker. It went with the wrinkle. So it's got the guide circles, and they are black guide circles around all of these. I did hear somebody say that they like HOMFUN, but they really like HOMFUN for squares because you don't have this issue with the guide circles. So can you see the wrinkle where the wrinkle was? Okay, here's the wrinkle, but the glue is still stuck to it. So wherever it wrinkled, the glue just went with the wrinkle, went with the flow, man, and stayed with it. So that's good. All I have to worry about is just flatten it. I don't have to worry about bubbles. It didn't really bubble. Maybe a little bit right there. No, not really. We're going to flatten it. I'm going to use my scraper tool, and we're going to flatten it out. And we're going to see what happens. So this is just a multicolored, kind of psychedelic looking heart is what it is. It's 30 by 30. It's not big. It's just a little cute little thing with all kinds of colors. All right, can you see it? All kinds of colors in there. Yeah. Yeah. So, I mean, it's really not bad. The canvas wrinkled. Clearly, the canvas wrinkled. My hair wants to attach to it, though. Every time I move the canvas near myself, my hair goes towards it. Like one of those balls, you know, where the people's hair goes out crazy when you touch it. It's doing that. Okay, that's weird. I don't like that. Move my hair out of the way. So, yeah, we'll work on flattening. If we have to take the paper off, we take the paper off. We put parchment paper on. We get our... Okay, I got my tool. Hang on. Got my tool right here. I always keep it in this little drawer here. This is where I do all my unboxings. Let's see. It doesn't want to flatten back down over those bubbles in the canvas, the wrinkles. I'm going to call them wrinkles because that's really what they are, is wrinkles. All right, let's see. Let's just go fast. Just go. Oh, okay. You know what, guys? This is better than I anticipated when I saw that box on my porch. Actually, it wasn't on my porch. They put it in the mailbox. They didn't scrunch it, put it in the mailbox. They did not. It was already scrunched. All right. This little bag right here, this is so funny. Look at them. They're completely rolled up. They're just rolled right around the foam roller still. But there's the drills. There they are. All right. They got nice packaging for the drills. Look at the big black numbers. I like that. Okay, let's get into it. I'll show you the inventory sheet. I'm not certain how many colors are in here. Let's see. Here's our inventory sheet. This is what it looks like. It's a very pretty heart. Very pretty. I'm still surprised that it's here. I thought for sure I was going to need to get a refund or something. And it has 30 colors. So here's the symbols on your canvas. Here's how many, no, that's the EMC. I hope it's not EMC. I hope it's DMC codes. How many packages you get and how many pieces you'll need. How many individual drills. Well, there's our list. All right, we got some 3865s. Yep. All right, it's got very pretty colors. I'm not getting them all out. As you can tell, they're very pretty. I mean, we've got pink and purple and green and blue and red, and we just have an array of colors, like all kinds of colors. Because it's a psychedelic heart is what I would call it. These are pretty. Got a beautiful orange. Look at it, they're very pretty. So it's got very pretty drills. I've heard from people they liked HOMFUN's drills, that they looked good. I mean, let's pull out a color. We'll look at them. I'll inventory everything later. Well, they do look really good. I mean, they look the same size. I don't see trash. I don't see dimples on the back. They look good. I mean, we'll know more when we actually open it up and do the canvas, but there you go. That's the first one, guys. Not too bad. I'll try to flatten that a little more later and maybe put parchment paper on it. We'll see how it looks. Now we got this guy. Okay, so first thing we got to get his little elastic bands off. They kind of remind me of those things that are in your shirt, you know, to keep your shirt on the hanger at the store. That's kind of what they remind me of. They're not super stretchy. They're kind of like those. Oh, that was the only one on here? It was. That was the only one. Okay, so this one's larger, and we're gonna have more. We're gonna have more of this wrinkly stuff. Yeah, this one's got 2 pieces of adhesive. Let's start with the worst end down here, because this is the worst end. Let's see what happens. I think I'm deaf. Oh yeah, it's going to tear right at that wrinkle. If you can see what I'm doing. It's going to tear right there. All right. So this is unfortunate because I really like this one. But again, you guys, it doesn't really appear to have affected the tape a whole lot. I mean, a little bit, sure. But I mean, look, it's more the canvas wrinkled, the tape wrinkled. There's really not big bubbles, which I anticipated there being. Okay, we're just gonna have to work on flattening the canvas, and then I think if we flatten the canvas and then the tape at the same time, I think it'll be all right. Wow. Sometimes you just have to shake your head and go, I don't know. I just don't know. I love this image. You probably won't be able to see it very good on here because of all the dark circles in the background, but I'll show you the inventory sheet because you'll be able to see it. Oh man. The wrinkles are real, folks. They're real. We're definitely going to need to do some parchment paper just so that we can, it's got tape all the way out pretty far too, but all right. And I got it upside down. I thought I turned it so it would be right side up, but no, I turned it upside down. This one's a 50 by 40. And I had thought that maybe it was going to be part of a larger project, but then I found some other things. Foam roller's still in there. All right. Yeah, you can't tell what this is at all, I don't think. If I take the paper, it's fine. But I was going to say, if I take the paper all the way off, I don't care because we'll just parchment paper this thing. And get the foam roller out, so maybe it'll lay down and be flat. Try not to stick it to the counter. And you can't tell what it is at all, I don't think. Okay, just say goodbye to this paper. Yeah, we'll just get rid of that. It's in the sink now. No, it doesn't have very many colors, but I don't think the image should have a ton of colors. Yeah, you can't see. Look, it's just, can you imagine? It's been on a foam roller, traveling around the world for 3.5 months. What would you look like? I mean, it could look a whole lot worse for those conditions, right? Yeah, you know, there aren't a lot of places where the tape has puckered off the canvas. There just aren't. It's just folded and wrinkled and puckered, but not, the glue hasn't come off. The tape hasn't come off. Look, even the poor foam roller is like, wonk. Yeah, I knew this wasn't good. When I saw it in the mailbox, I was like, oh, that's not good. Anyhow. So here's our colors. See, it doesn't have a lot of color to it. Yellows and greens, right? A lot of yellows and greens. It's not going to show up looking at it like that. Can you see the one thing on the canvas? Can you see the one thing that I can actually see? There's one thing I can see. Can you see it? Up here. Oh, don't stick to that one. Can you see that right there? Can you see it? I mean, I can. But here's what it is. Here's our image. I'm going to move it back a little bit so none of this gets stuck in it. And here's our image. Wow. Wow, that's all in here, really? Wow, you cannot even tell those are in here. Okay, here's our image. It is a mama duck, her baby ducks, a cat, and a fence. The cat's going, hello, who are you? Mama duck's going, those are my babies. Don't mess with them. Isn't it cute though? See, it's lots of greens, yellows, browns. So it doesn't have a lot of variance in color. Although, what am I saying? It's got 33 colors. It's got 33 colors. Okay, I didn't think it had that many. But it does. It's got 33. Super cute though, right? So yeah, our colors, like I said, are just going to be mainly yellows, light greens, some tans, right? That's what we got. Look at, oh wow, there's a lot of this. Look at that. That is the palest yellow I've ever seen. Pale, pale yellow. More greens, tans, very light, like mint green. That's really pretty, this mint green. But yeah, that's our colors. I'll inventory it all, you know. Brown, a light purple. So everything's very pastel and just light. Yeah, except for this guy. He's kind of bright. But I'll inventory it all and put parchment paper on that. So that's what we got. These bags, what? Wow, they're huge. I don't know why they think they need to put their drills in such a big bag. Well, there's my first experience with HOMFUN. Granted, it was right at the start of a pandemic. I didn't know there was a start of a pandemic in the beginning of March when I ordered it. I just thought Chinese New Year was over in the beginning of March. And so I was ready to order from them. That was my thought process. Chinese New Year's over, good time to order. All right. Anyhow, they're very pretty colors. The drills do look really, really nice. I mean, the drills look really good. I mean, look at them. I don't see trash. I don't see weird sizes. I don't see any dips in the back. I mean, they look super good, guys. They really do. All right. Well, that's my HOMFUN order that made it. 3.5 months. Here it is. All right. I got some work to do to clean up this mess and put things away. So let's just remind you, I have the beautiful psychedelic heart, which is really pretty. I mean, it's really pretty. I was thinking AB sparklers, bling it up, all that kind of stuff. And then I got those little elastics everywhere. The mama, the babies, and their visitor, their friend, little kitty. Can I be in your family? And I've got some flowers. So that's what I got. And like I said, miraculously, it's not horrible. So thanks for watching, guys. And I'm gonna inventory these drills and try to clean things up. Man, I might just find a small Ziploc bag to put these drills in because this is bizarre. It's huge. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys. And hit the like button if you liked it. Anyhow, I'll see you guys in the next video.